सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 246। नेदं नेदं कल्पितत्वान्न सत्यम् रज्जौ दृष्टव्यालमस्त्वप्नवच्च रज्जौ दृष्टव्यालस्वप्नवच्च इत्थं दृश्यं साधुयुक्त्या व्यपोह्य ज्ञेयः पश्चादेकभावस्तयोर्यः पश्चादेकभावस्तयोर्यः। Shankaracharya negating the whole dualistic world by taking the pramana from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, that is nedam nedam na idam na idam neti neti iti vakyena. Iti means anything that is objectified is called iti. Not this, not this. This means whenever we say it is objectified by me. This, whenever I say, that is an object of me. I am the subject, that this is an object. This world, when I say, this world is an object. So, idam, iti, idam, idam jagat, this world, idam shariram, this body. So, whenever I use this, that means it conveys that is an object. All these are kalpitam. Kalpitam means imagined by me. Kalpitatvat. The whole world, the people, the objects, all, whatever I am seeing, idam sarvam kalpitam eva. Na satyam, they are not having any truth in them. Na satyam. Then why it is appearing as satyam to me? Like example he is giving. Just as Rajju Drishta Vyalavat. Vyala means serpent, snake. Just as you see the snake on the rope, Rajau means on the rope, Saptami, locative case, on the rope, Rajau. Drishta, that which has seen on the rope, Rajau. What I have seen? Vyala, snake. Just as you have seen the snake on the rope, similarly, you are seeing the whole Namarupa on the Brahman. Just as I see the snake on the rope, which is not there, for that snake, what is the adhara, substratum, source? Rope. Without that rope, can I see this snake? No. Similarly, these names and forms, idam sarvam jagat, whatever I am seeing, because of whom I am seeing, really speaking, because of Brahman. On the Brahman, I am seeing these names and forms. But when I am seeing the snake on the rope, that I do not know that is rope. I do not know that is rope. What I know, that is snake. Similarly, I do not know, I am seeing that every name and form on the Brahman, I do not know. As a Ajnani, I do not know. When can I know that is a snake? It is rope, it is not snake. When can I know? When I have a proper light. Because of dim light, I am seeing the snake. So if I put torchlight or full light, then what I see? Rope. As rope I see. Now what am I seeing? Rope as snake. So what I require to see the rope as rope? Light is required. Similarly, to see Brahman as Brahman, what I require? Knowledge, jnana. There torchlight is required, light is required. Here jnana deepam is required. Once somebody has to operate, you have to put the switch, you have to operate the torchlight, somebody has to take care of. Similarly, Shastra, the Guru is the one who is operating the Shastra. Then I get knowledge. Once I get knowledge, what I see? I see Brahman alone. That's what he says here. Itham drishyam sadhu yuktya vyapohya. Itham drishyam, the whole drishya prapancham. This world, drishya prapancham, means that which is objectified by me. Drishyam. I am the druk, I am the seer. The whole world is seen by me, seeing by me, now at present also. Drishyam vyapohya, having negated. Vyapohya, how you have to negate? Sadhu yuktya. Sadhu yukti means Shruti sammata tarkena. Tarka means logic. Logic means yukti. We have to think. Yukti means wherever there is reasoning, there is thinking involved. There is thinking involved. Reason means rational. Rational means thinking. Analysis. That is called yukti. That is why anybody is talking, suppose, hey, it is fully illogical, don't talk like that, we say. It is not reasonable. It can never happen like that, we say. So, logicality also important. Important word is what? Sadhu yuktyan. Just yukti won't work. A yukti, that which is backed by the Shastra Pramanam. Shruti must be primary and logic must be secondary. Take the help of logic. Main is Pramanam, Shastra Pramanam, Shruti Pramanam. With logic we have to go. That is called sadhu yuktya. Not just blindly. Swamini is sitting there, sannyasini, I respect her, she is talking so nicely, I love her, therefore I listen whatever she says, I like her teaching. Doesn't work. Your intellect will never accept all these beliefs. Keep all your affection, respect, ashrama, highest ashrama, you keep for your sake. In your mind itself all these discussions will take place. Your rational part of mind, intellect, that antahkaranam, will not withstand with this type of respect, belief, faith. Okay, the intellect questions. Because intellect is very, very honest. Every intellect is honest. Every person's intellect is honest. It can never withstand for belief, just faith. These are all only at the mental level. Our intellect is there, that faculty I have to satisfy. Therefore, that is called yukti here. It is not just like nodding the head. You cannot nod your head 10 years, 15 years. You may nod your head 5 years, 6 years. Later, your intellect start thinking, is there any truth in this? Why I am doing this? Verification. I want a verification. That is called doubtless knowledge. Doubtless knowledge. I have no doubt at all. It is no more a belief, it is a fact now. Ada sadhu yuktya vyapohya. Not just my teacher says, Veda says, Upanishad says, that's I respect Vedic heritage. However much your great Vedic heritage or Veda great or your teacher's parampara is great, doesn't matter. Who bother? My intellect has to be convinced. So therefore, Shastra says, yes, your intellect will be convinced if you understand properly. If you study properly, systematically, your intellect will be convinced. It is a fact, it is the only fact, nothing else. No one can shake you. This is the wisdom given by our ancestors, seers from time immemorial. The time-tested wisdom. It is not just a parampara, it is not a belief. Understand, try to understand. It is not a belief. That is called vyapohyanar. That bhranti I have to give up. This yukti, sadhu yukti is possible only by constant, consistent listening. Otherwise it is not possible at all. By constant, by sharp mind, intellect, sukshma buddhya alone you can grasp. Then you can own up. It become a fact for you. It is no more never require any verification from outside. The knowledge is that it will never seek any other person's verification. எனக்கு பிரம்மஜானம் வந்ததா లేదా கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுப்பா. No guru is required to say, now you are qualified, you are Jivan Muktaha. No guru will come and say. Try to understand. No guru can say, need not say, you are Jivan Muktaha. Who has to say Jivan Muktaha? Aham Jivan Muktaha. I have to say. I have to claim. Not any Swamini, I am coming so many years to your class. One day you announce, I am a Jivan Mukta Hani. Ivala kashtapadi padichindrukke, writing the notes also. And that also I am your student, no? Why can't you announce? Fortunately or unfortunately, no teacher can announce. Because no teacher knows that you are a Jivan Mukta or not. Because you alone can know that you are a Jivan Mukta. Once you claim yourself, I am Brahman, there is no doubt, I am consciousness, I am not this body-mind complex. I don't want anybody's certificate or verification. Aham Mukta, that's all. That's why nobody has given certificate. My Guru has never got the certificate from his Guru. My Parama Guru has never got the certificate from his Guru. The certificate business ellayum ingeda inda ulagathila da irukum. Understand? Okay. This knowledge is not just for publicity or something else. This is only to myself. To own up, I am that true Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, Brahma. My true nature this is. Not for anybody's sake. Not for any certificate. Try to understand. Adida Vyapohya means. Never seek any recognition even from your family members. Never seek any recognition, appreciation from your daughter-in-law or son-in-law. You see, I am studying scriptures. Are you having any respect towards me? Never seek that appreciation or recognition. That's why real Vedantic student is Udasinavat Asina. Onnu theriyada madri irupa. Avladha. That person alone is real Vedantic seeker. He never utter any sentence that he knows Shastra. He never blabber in front of anyone. He never publicize himself about scriptural knowledge or scriptural studies. What am I doing? Real student never talk. This is the Adayalam. A real seeker who is going ahead in the Shastra, getting the benefit of Shastra, never open the mouth. Try to understand. There is only intellectual understanding, claiming oneself as Atma. That's why that person is very simple. He never shows that he has a knowledge. Whatever he has studied, where, when, what, all these things just are hidden. Such student is a real mumukshu, a real seeker. Very, very difficult, not so easy. That is what Shankaracharya's intention. Sadhu yuktya vyapohya gneyaha, to be known. Having negated that Bhranti, idam drishyam sarvam mithya iti vyapohya sarvam brahma eva iti jneyaha. You have to know paschat eka bhavaha tayoho yaha. When what will happen once you understand this? Eka bhavaha. That Paramatma, the total consciousness, this Jivatma, Vyasti, individual consciousness are one and the same. There is no difference. This comes in Murta Murta Brahmanam. That is that unnegatable. Who am I? I am the consciousness which is my intrinsic nature, Atyantikam. It can never be negatable. That is why natural intrinsic nature is what? I am consciousness. That's all. This is natural. What is agantukam? I am wife, I am teacher, I am mother. All these roles, agantukam, not intrinsic. They will go away. All the roles will go away. They are all apekshikam. Intrinsic is that which you can never negate. Incidental is that any time you can negate it. So that I was explaining, natural and are intrinsic. Incidental, apekshikam, non-intrinsic, agantukam. So what is intrinsic nature of me? Consciousness. So in this I am, the mixture, body plus mind plus OC, original consciousness. Body, that is medium, RM plus RC plus OC. RM means body, medium. That reflected medium, body is like a mirror, reflecting what? RC. RC means reflected consciousness, like a mirror. In the RM place you keep mirror. The Pratibimbam, reflected sun, is like RC. That reflected sun, mirror is here, this is medium. In that reflected sun is there. And how this reflected sun has come? Because of original sun. So, mirror is the medium. In that mirror there is a reflected sun, that is our reflected sun and original sun. Like that. Now this body is a medium and the mirror placed in the body. And the reflected sun placed in the reflected consciousness. That is antakaranam, sukshma shariram or chidabhasa. You can say. How this chidabhasa has taken place here? Because of OC. This is Darshtanta. In the example now tell me, mirror, sun, reflected sun and original sun. Now you vote for what in all these things? You vote for what? Appa, evla siddhama solral paarunga. Original sun. Because this reflected medium is nothing. It has no lighting yet of its own. This reflected sun also dependently existing, agantukam, apekshikam, incidental. As long as the mirror is there, in the reflected sun will be there. Mirror goes, gone. But original sun, அப்படியே இருப்பார். So how you are intelligently, original sun you vote for that. Similarly, in the body mirror, இதுக்குள்ள RC, reflected consciousness, and OC, original consciousness. Now you vote for this body medium or RC, reflected consciousness, or OC. OC varadu illaya. You need not pay anything. So that is what? Vote for OC. Original consciousness. Vote for means what? Own up. Own up. Claim that I am OC. Because RM is temporary. Agantukam. RC is temporary. Agantukam. Incidental. OC is atyantikam. It is natural. Intrinsic. It will not go away. Na jayate, na mriyate va kadachit. It will never born, it will never die. Therefore, to own up that consciousness, I have to do Shravanam. Now, Jneyaha. That is called Ekatvam. So this reflected consciousness is like a Jivatma. So this consciousness, the reflected you remove, this consciousness is nothing but OC alone. Therefore, OC alone is there. Now understand? Really speaking, reflected consciousness is a just appearing. Appearing, that's all. It is not real. Real. Same way, the Brahman, the original consciousness is alone real. That Brahman I am. Next shloka. Shloka number 247. Tatastutau lakshanaya sulakshyaum तयोरखण्डैकरसत्त्वसिद्धये नालं जहत्या न तथा जहत्या किन्तु भयार्थात्मिकम् एव भाव्यम् किन्तु भयार्थात्मिकैव भाव्यम्. So nishedhamukha vakyena uktam prathamam, not this, not this. Neti neti vachanai nigama vochuhu tam deva deva. Shankaracharya writes in Pratasmaranam. Negate everything. After negating everything, the negator remains. The conceiver who is conceiving everything, the concepts, all concepts will go away. The conceiver, the one who conceptualizes, remains. After negating everything, who remains? The negator remains. Who is that negator? I am. Now here in this shloka, that eka bhavaha means oneness in English, oneness. Even that word also, for understanding sake, in the even numeral numbers also not that much admissible in this expression. Ekam, dve, all these things, 1, 2, there are 2. Jivatma is 1, Paramatma is 1. So the Jivatma has to mix with the Paramatma. So this one has to, there too, this has to mix with other, appo oneness will come in. All these are expressions only for teaching sake, not exactly traditional, for understanding sake. Where is the question of merging here? Tell me now. To avoid that merging problem, people, and they give example, that drop, water drop which falls from the akasha, it has to merge in the ocean. And the example surely, idu or jivatma drop, it has to merge with the Paramatma ocean. It's an event. Water drop merging in the ocean is an event. Try to understand, this is very, very, very problematic statement. And people are carried away by that statement. So I have to merge with Paramatma, I have to merge with Paramatma. Array, you are not there separately other than Paramatma. Where is question of merging? This merging problem, big problem. That is an event. Don't compare, extend the example. And the example only for example's sake. If you extend the example, you are trapped. That's all. I am a Jivatma, one day I have to merge with Paramatma. There is no merging. Understand? For that only I gave an example. What is that example? Pot space. The pot space is like Jivatma. I break this pot space, thinking the Jivatma. I have to merge with total space, I have to merge with the total space. And so break me immediately so that I can merge with the total space. You have to break this part. And because this has to merge. This part space has to merge in the total space. If break pannada, part space boy andla merge agum. That's why some people say, you have to die to get moksha, first thing. Yeah, part space, the part irukra varku part space undu. And the pair irukkum illaya. As long as the part is there, part space will be there. As long as part space will be there, it is part space only. How can it become a total space? Therefore, wait until your death. இப்பெல்ல மோட்சம் பற்றி பேசாதே, அதெல்லாம் அப்புறம். There are people talking. There are philosophers. It is a great philosophy. Never think of moksha in the body. In this dirty body, you are thinking about moksha. What Shastra says? Pot space is a name. There is no pot space. Pot space is a name to the total space. Understand? Pot space is never separated from the total space. If it is separated alone, it has to go and merge. Are you following? If it is really separated alone, it has to merge. But then what is this pot space? Pot space is nothing but a new name for total space. A temporary name for total space. Pot space has to recognize. I am not a pot space. This name is temporarily given to me. Even though I am called as a pot space, really speaking, I am a total space only. Because there is no distance. There is no distance. As really speaking, this pot is in the space. Pot space recognized. And the pot space recognized. You, the pot, conditioning me, the pot space became intelligent. The part space became more intelligent, very, very, very subtle intellect now. It is telling, Ittanala, you are Yematrayanana. Part space initially. Really speaking, you are the bloody part in the space only. Priyarda, you the part temporarily came yesterday. And the pot space is talking. Pot space is talking, what? You the pot came yesterday, day before yesterday, and limiting me and saying I am pot space. You the pot really staying in the total space. Yaru solra? Jivatma solra. Enna? You the body, like the bloody body. Body came 40 years back, 50 years back, 70 years back or 75 years back and telling you are Jivatma. Hey, the total space, this pot has come, this pot is in the space. Similarly, these bodies are in the consciousness. In the space and solladungo. All bodies are in the consciousness. Now tell me, how to merge? All bodies are in the consciousness. there is no question of merging. That's why the prakriya he is again reminding us. Tataha tu lakshanaya. Tataha means then means sadhu yuktya vyapohya. This whole jagat is mithya. It is only an aberration. There is no truth in that. Tataha, therefore, tau lakshanaya sulakshyau. Lakshanaya means lakshyartha. Lakshanaya, we have seen jahal lakshana, ajahal lakshana, jahad ajahal lakshana. So I don't want to repeat. I have already taken lot of time for that. Okay? Jahal lakshana, ajahal lakshana, jahad ajahal lakshana. So, tau, both Jivatma, Paramatma, now, Paramatma now, Lakshanaya Sulakshyau. Lakshana means that Bhagatyaga Lakshanaya you have to take. Lakshyartha Drishtya. What is Lakshyartha? The definition of Lakshyartha is Upadhi Vinirmukta Chaitanyam. Upadhi Vinirmukta Chaitanyam Tat Padam. A Padam, the word I have to take, which is free from Upadhi. Upadhi means the medium. Upadhi Vinirmukta Chaitanyam. All the attributes belong to Upadhi. Alpagnatvam, alpiscient, omniscient. I am a limited human being. He is Mahatma. Bhagavan is Mahan, great. All these limitations because of Maya Upadhi there, here Avidya Upadhi. Therefore, those we have to keep aside intellectually. Adi Upadhi Vinirmukta Chaitanyam Tat Padam I have to take. Okay, Tat Padam I have to take. That is called Lakshyartha. RM, RC, OC. Individual body, individual reflected consciousness and original consciousness. Ishvara's body, Maya Shariram, and Ishvara's total consciousness, reflected consciousness and original consciousness. At the macrocosm level, at the microcosm level. So at the microcosm level, at macrocosm level, RM, delete. RC, delete. What I have to take? OC and OC. This is Lakshyartha. Adi Lakshanaya anartham. So where there is no contradiction. In Upadhi there is contradiction. In between one person and another person there is a Upadhi Bheda. However much honey, husband says, Upadhi Bheda is there. That is why you see, people when they love each other, no, they show in embrace. They embrace each other. எவ்வளோ embrace பண்ணாலும் திருப்தி வராது. தெரியுமா எதுக்குன்னு? குழந்தைகான anything, whatever you embrace, because Upadhi. As long as Upadhi is there, the limitation இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால என்ன சொன்னோமோ? What you have to say? Aham Brahmasmi. சொன்ன அதுதான். Real embrace என்ன? தத்துவமசி கட்டி மேடம் எம்ப்ரேஸ் தான். இது மேல எந்த உபாதியில வந்து நீங்க சொன்னானு ஐ லவ் யூ ஐ லவ் யூ ஐ லவ் யூன்னு சும்மா இது எல்லாமே நாட் ரியல் லவ்விங் அட் ஆல். ஏன்னா இம்பாசிபிள். பாடி லெவல் யூ கேன் நெவர் கெட் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன். இமோஷனல் லெவல் யூ நெவர் கெட் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன். The what level you get satisfaction and trupti and the eka bhavana. That is why Adarsha Dampati means for moksha's sake, a wife and a husband. Now you understand. Why family system? Why wife and husband? Idukda. Idella pochu po kala garbhathila pochu. If enna irukana ஹலோ ஹலோ ஹனி ஹனி, அவ்வளோதான் இருக்கு. Every relation is meant to recognize the oneness. Try to understand. Every relation between everything only to find out the oneness. That oneness can be recognized in that best relation is wife and husband. That is recognized on this earth, in this Bharat, nowhere in the world. Every relation you can recognize, and that mutual wife and husband relation, it is very, very close. You can understand that Paramatma Swarupam. For that sake only relation, try to understand. All relations are meant for this. If I forget this fact, every relation is a threat. The day I forget this fact, the relation is meant to recognize the oneness, I lose sight of every relation is a problematic relation, including wife and husband, including father, mother, daughter, son, any relation. Any relation is a problematic relation. That is why Guru-Sishya Sambandha also is like that, the relation. The Sishya recognize the Atma Swarupam of the Guru. Guru recognize the Atma Swarupam of the Sishya. What a beautiful concept. Where you can find in this world, tell me. So, tayoho akhanda eka rasatva siddhaye. Tayoho jivatma paramatmanoho. Tayoho means of that jivatma and paramatma. Tayoho akhanda eka rasa. Akhanda eka rasa means sajatiya vijatiya swagata bheda rahitam. Anartha. Attributeless. Attributes at any level. Sajatiya means the same species. Vijatiya means other species. Swagatam means அதுக்குள்ளே இந்த பேதம் எல்லாமே இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது அக்கண்டம், ஏகரசம். சஜாத்திய விஜாத்திய ஸ்வகத பேத ரஹிதா. That is called Bheda Brahma Tyagaha. தியாகம் பண்ணணும். என்ன? பேத பிரமன்னு தியாகம் பண்ணணும், விடணும். அதுதான் renouncing. The removing. Tataha means removing that attributes. Na alam jahatya na ajahatya atha. The jahal lakshana is not sufficient here. Even ajahal lakshana you cannot take here, because tat tvam asi. Tat paramatma, tvam jivatma. Tvam is jivatma. Asli inda padam ella purinjukonum. Inna tat tvam swamini. Here tat tvam asi is a mahavakya. வாக்கியம் எப்போ புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும்? அதில் இருக்கிற பதம் புரிஞ்சாதான் வாக்கியம் புரியும். Without words meaning understanding, how can I understand the sentence? வாக்கியம் என்ன sentence. Sentence can be understood only when I understand the padam, word. What is the word? 3 words are there in the Mahavakya. Tat, one word. Tvam, one word. Asi, one word. All put together one sentence. Tat, tvam, asi, one sentence. Tat means that. Dakarantaha pumlingaha tat shabdaha. Saha tau te. This is pumlingaha. Here napumsakalinga. Tat means tatte tani. Is it dakarantaha? Napumsakalinga. Tat shabdaha. That means what? That enna nariya irukku. That. That Paramatma. Tat Paramatma. Tvam, you. दकारान्तः युष्मत् शब्दः त्रिषु लिंगेषु समानरूपः त्वं त्वं युवां यूयं that you means tvam means you so that Paramatma you tvam. Okay, now word understand. Tvam means what? You anartham. Guru is telling tat is a word. Now I know what is tat. दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः प्रथमः विभक्ति एकवचनं तत्. त्वं शब्दः इस् वाट्? दकारान्तः पुंलिङ्गः. दकारान्तः त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः. देर् इस् नो लिङ्ग. यू की एन्न लिङ्गं? स्त्रीलिङ्गमा पुंलिङ्गमा? इस् इट् म्यास्क्युलैन् आर् फेमिनिन् जेण्डर् आर् न्यूट्रल् जेण्डर्? यू अन्नदे नो जेण्डर् इल्लयो. सो यू दकारान्तः त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः. கொஞ்சம் கிராமர். ओके, समानरूपः युष्मत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं त्वं युवां यूयं. त्वं इस् प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. இந்த அளவுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கிராமர் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஓகே, தத் त्वं असि अस् धातु verb भूसत्तायां. As means to be. To be. Be means what? You are. And the Paramatma Nida. Another Tat Paramatma, that Paramatma, you, the Jivatma, you are. This is the Pada Artha. Padartha means Padartha Bochangishal Padartha. Pada Artha. Tat Padartha, Tvam Padartha, Asiyana Astistaha Santi, Latlakara, Astistaha Santi, Asistaha Stha, Asmi Swaha Sma. Sma. So Asi another Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Tvam Asi, you are. You are Lat Lakara, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana, Asi. எதுக்கு சுவாமி இந்த கிராமர் இல்லைன்னா சொல்லிதான் ஆகணும் அண்ணா, வேற வழி இல்லை. அந்த மகா வாக்கியம் மாதிரி கிளியராக பதம் புரியணும்னா கிராமர் சொல்லிதான் ஆகணும். ஸோ அசி மீன்ஸ் துவமசி, யூ ஆர். திஸ் பதார்த்த. நவ் வாக்கியம். தத் மீன்ஸ் ஆர்எம், டோட்டல் ஆர்சி அண்ட் ஓசி. பாகத்தியாகம் பண்ணணும். ஹியர் individual level, microcosm level, RM, RC, OC. The limiting factors what? RM and RC. At macro level, micro level. தியாகம் பண்ணு. பாகம், ஒரு பாகம் வந்து தியாகம் பண்ணு. இந்த பேதம் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது என்னதான்? ஓசி. இது பிடிச்சுக்கோ. ஐக்கியம், அதுதான் ஐக்கியம். அதுதான் சொல்றாருங்க. கிந்து உபய ஜஹத் அண்ட் அஜஹத். ஒரு பார்ட் விடு, ஒரு பார்ட் விடாது. ஜஹத் கிவ் அப், அஜஹத் மீன்ஸ் டோன்ட் கிவ் அப். எது கிவ் அப், எது டோன்ட் கிவ் அப்? இல்ல ஓசி கிவ் அப் பண்ணி இது பிடிச்ச ப்ராப்ளம். த்ரோயிங் த பேபி வித் பாத் வாட்டர் அண்ணா. Hey, give bath to the baby. Take the baby, throw the bath water. அது மாதிரி throw the RM, RC of Paramatma and Jivatma. Throwing anna enga? Intellectually understand. They are temporary, incidental. What is intrinsic? Unnegatable. That OC. The limiting adjuncts I have to Jahatya. This Lakshyartha, which is not having any contradiction, OC, Ajahatya, that means taking. Part I am giving. One part I am giving up. One part I am taking up. Adida Bhaga Tyaga Lakshana. Kintu Ubhayartha ubhaya arthatmikaya eva bhavyam. We have to take that alone. Bhagatyaga lakshana, not jahat lakshana, not ajahal lakshana. If I give up totally, problem. If I don't give up fully, if I take limitation. If I give up everything, jahal lakshana, enna hu osi kuda poidum. Jahal lakshana, if I see, everything will go away. Even osi also will go away. If I don't give up, these limitations also will continue. Aikyam is not possible. Therefore, bhagatyaga lakshanaya eva ekikaranam, akhanda ekarasam. Part is removed, part is retained. One part is removed, one part is retained. The limiting factors upadhi is removed. That original consciousness, that part is retained. So then aikyam is possible. And the partness remove. Periya part. Okay. The big part Paramatma. Chinna part Jivatma. Okay. He removed this part. The name form part. Remove this name form part. Medium and the reflected. Ullagirkiradu. Adu you take out. What will remain? Space. Enna periya kashtam Vedantam. For a prepared person, it is like a halwa. Next shloka. Next shloka. You are all prepared, no? That's why for you it is like a sweet. Shloka number 248. Sadeva dattoyamiti hachaikatam. Viruddha dharma shamapasya kathyate. यथा तथा तत्त्वमसीति वाक्ये विरुद्ध धर्मानुभयत्र हित्वा. Before going to shloka, I have given everything, no? முன்னோட்டம் மாதிரி. என்ன சொன்னா இப்போ ஈஸியா புரியும் உங்களுக்கு. அதுக்கு தான் முன்னாடியே சொல்லிட்டேன். Best example Shastra gives, before going to this Tattvamasi, Saha Devadattaha, Ayam Devadattaha. Saha Devadattaha, that Devadatta. Devadatta is a person. Saha, that Devadatta is this Devadatta. And the Devadatta rendu vaadi sollana. That Devadatta is this Devadatta. Who is that Devadatta? That Devadatta is a small young boy with black curling hair, with a nice handsome body, a very stout and sturdy person. That Devadatta, my friend, with whom I have studied in my school days, Saha Devadattaha, met in this marriage function after 70 years. When I saw him 60 years back, 10-15 years age he has got. We both are equal friends. That Devadatta, suddenly I met today in the marriage function. This Devadatta, how he is looking? White hair. No? This body, what body? Wrinkles, body full of wrinkles. With the third leg. Kaila stick irukke. Kannadi pottindu irukke. false teeth ella vechirken, not able to see properly, is not able to walk fast, is not able to sit down. That Devadatta is this Devadatta. If I ask, hey, Anda Devadattana Ivana, Ama, how you are able to say? The body, the differences in that body and this body, what are the differences? Age-wise difference. That tells that space-wise difference. அப்போ அந்த கிராமத்தில் பார்த்தேன், இப்போ இங்கே மெட்ராஸ் சிட்டியில் இருக்கேன். காலா difference. That means what? It indicates the time. Kala niyama. That time 56, 70 years back means Kala. That place, Desha. Desha, that Kala, Tad Desha, Tat Kala. Etat Desha, Etat Kala. Now the Kala difference is there, Desha difference is there. But still, that Devadatta is this Devadatta. Kala Parichinnam, you keep aside. And Desha Parichinnatvam, Desha also you keep aside. And bodily attributes, even he is not able to recognize this person. Who are you? He is asking. Childhood friends. But still Devadatta is not able to recognize. But still he is same person or not? Same. How can you say? What we have given up? The differentiating factors, the Kala, Desha, the attributes, the bodily changes, all you have kept aside. But the person you have taken. The person is the one and the same. How can you say one and the same? Because you have taken out the all differentiating factors, kept aside. You are not destroying the person. To say Saha Devadattaha, I am Devadattaha, I have to fight with this person Devadatta. Give water, drink water. எதா சாப்பிட்றேன் பழம் எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுங்க என்ன சொல்லி நல்ல அழகாக சேவை பண்ணி அதே தேவதத்தன் தான். ஒன்றும் பண்ணலையே, ஹேவ் நாட் டன் எனிதிங். இன்னும் உபச்சாரம் பண்ணிட்டேன் நான். உபச்சாரம் பண்ணி அதே தேவதத்தனை, அந்த தேவதத்தன் தான் இந்த தேவதத்தன் புரிஞ்சுக்க முடிகிறதா இல்லையா? தாராளமா, சந்தேகமே இல்லை. அதே மாதிரி that Paramatma who is pervading everywhere, who is timeless, is this Jivatma are one and the same. That Paramatma is this Jivatma is that Paramatma. This Devadatta alone is that Devadatta alone is this Devadatta. One or the same? One or different? Tell me. One and the same. Similarly, Paramatma eva Jivatma, Jivatma eva Paramatma. Eppo, when I remove the Bhagatyaga Lakshana ya only. இல்லைன்னா இந்த உடம்பு வச்சு நானா அந்த பரமாத்மனா யாரு சொன்னா நீ பரமாத்மனி? As long as you don't recognize you are not the body, that statement is not for you. Understand? That statement is not meant for that person who is thinking he is body. The one who recognizes, no, I am different from this matter, body, mind complex. There is something. అని யார் நினைக்கிறானோ அவனுக்கு தான் இந்த குரு என்ன சொல்றாரு, ஹேய் தத்துவமசி சீக்கிரமா புரிஞ்சுக்கோ, இப்போதான் கரெக்ட் டைம், தத்துவமசின்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு. ஏன்னா இவனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் புரியுறது. இதெல்லாம் ஸ்தூல சூக்ஷ்ம காரண சரீராத் வதிரிக்தா அவஸ்தாத்ரய சாட்சி பஞ்சகோஷாதீத சன் சச்சிதானந்த ஸ்வரூப ஆத்மா அகமஸ்மி. ஓவர். குரு தேங்க்ஸ். அதுதான் சஹா தேவதத்தः அயம் இதி இஹா இஹா. நவ் ஹியர் he is appearing. ஏகதா, oneness. விருத்த தர்ம தர்ம அபாஸ்ய. Apasya means the viruddha dharma. The bodily attributes, the time, the desha, different time, different place, different attributes. அவனா இவனா நமக்கு சந்தேகமா இருக்கு. பார்க்கறதுக்கு அடையாளமே தெரியல சுவாமினி. அடையாளம் தெரியலன்னா கூட still you recognize, you discover that person alone is this person, Swami. ஆனந்தமா இருக்கு இல்லையோ? தேவதத்தனை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இவ்வளவு ஆனந்தமா இருந்தா, நான் பிரம்மன் தெரிஞ்சா எவ்வளவு ஆனந்தம் வரணும், எப்படி ஆனந்தம். Continue the ananda for up to next week. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.